Hello guys, welcome back to this video, and in this video we'll see how to use this reorderable list in Flutter. So this is my main class, my app class, and this class is extending my homepage class. So in this my homepage class we will contain our reorderable list code. So we'll create a stateful class and we'll give the class name. And since this is the home attribute, we'll have to give a scaffold in this class. And we'll give a app bar first. The title will contain, let's say we'll create a reorderable list for fruits, just one example. Now outside this build method we'll have to assign a array. Let's call this fruits and we'll give some values to it. Apple, mango, just for the experiment purposes. Grapes, I'm not sure the spelling is correct. Anyways, so we have given 5 apples to this variable fruits. Now what we'll have to do is we'll have to create a body attribute, and in this body attribute we'll have to give reorderable list view. Now this reorderable list view will contain children and attribute called reorder. For this children, first we'll give a square bracket and leave it empty, and for this reorder we'll have to pass a parameter and curly braces. Inside this parameter we'll have to assign 2 variables. One is old, int old, one is new. This any w keyword will not work, so we'll have to give an extra letter new. I'll tell you why we have given this. Now inside this children, what we'll have to do, we cannot assign one by one. What we'll have to do is we'll have to use a for loop, and in that for loop we'll have to write fruits.length. So this for loop will run till fruits.length times. Now what we'll do is we'll remove this curly braces, and immediately next to this for loop we'll write our list style. And in this list style will contain a title. The title will contain a text attribute, and this text attribute is nothing but, we'll give it in a single quotes, for fruits of I, and we'll close it. So this for loop will run 5 times and it will display the value of these fruits. Now this will just display what are in this list, and we have an attribute called reorder. So when we reorder the list, this old position value should be assigned to new position value and vice versa. So what we'll do inside is we'll give a set state. Inside that, what we'll do is we'll give a value, let's say var k is equal to fruits of old. So we are assigning this old value to this k. Now we'll assign fruits.old. We'll change this old value with new value to new value. Now this new value should be replaced with the old value. So this is nothing but we are just replacing this old value with the new value, and we are using the set state, so it will get updated. And as soon as it gets updated, a new list will be displayed. So that's all we have in our reorderable list view. And make sure to assign this array outside build method, otherwise there will be no effects. Now we'll just try to run this code and we'll see. So if you're running an emulator, it will not work sometimes. Reorderable list doesn't work in emulator sometimes. So what I'll do is I'll run in my mobile and I'll show you. So before that, we missed a very important thing. In this list style, we'll have to give a key value and just give an attribute and give a widget called value key, and inside that we'll add fruits of I, and we'll run this again. So we have got our output. We can just long press the tile and we can move the position. And that's how you write the code for reorderable list. I hope that this video brought some value to you, and if you like this, kindly like the video and subscribe to my channel. Until then, see you in the next video.